Hello friends, everyone know about Google Translate, but today I show you all detail Google Translate. Any language can translate within a second. Okay, let's see, I show you. First friends, you download Google Translate app. When you download ready, then open this app and this interface open ready. So here first English, second have I select Chinese. So you any language can select. Just click to camera. And you see here friends, my phone inside have one picture. So I open this picture, then this picture have in English. So just I open Google Translate, then I put in front my camera. So you see automatically this translate ready. Now I change language, Hindi language, and you see just I focus my camera this picture. So any language or any word, just you select language and can scan. Now I select Arabic language. So friends, see, within second you can change any language. So next one I showed you friends, if any picture your phone inside, this one also you can very easily translate. Click here, then when you click here, your gallery open ready. So your photo gallery, so any picture you select, then automatically the picture here scan ready. Then when scan ready, just you click select all. When you select all, click here, all translate downside the Chinese language. So now I want to change language, just click here, and here I friend again change language Hindi. So you see here Hindi language. I think 100 over language have here. So now I again want change language, so I again select Arabic language. You see here this one Arabic language translate ready. And again I select Chinese. Friends, you see very easy, just within a second you can change word, any language you can translate. So friends, next you click here conversation. So here friends, if two person, one person know English, one person Chinese, first you click here English. You see here writing English. When you click English, then you speak English. So downside you see downside Chinese language translate ready. And when other person want speak, then you click to Chinese here. After automatically this app translate to English, meaning this function two person translate. If two person also don't know the each other language, then if two person don't understand the language each other, so this function can you very easily speak two person. Just click which language you speak, click, and automatically here a language translate ready. So I showed you friends, again I select Hindi language. So you see here Hindi. If you other people Hindi understand, you English understand, just click Hindi and this person speak, and automatically translate English. If English you click and speak, then automatically translate ready Hindi. So next function friends, transcribe. Click here. So friends, here just you anything talking, meaning you just click to here mic, and you anything talking, this app can automatically translate. So here which language you speak, meaning I select before English, then I speaking how are you, what are you doing, and are you okay. So this all this app translate ready, and you see on screen there all you can read. So any language here also you any language can change. So next function friends, if have any writing, you can writing here also. Same I writing here how are you. Then you see automatically translate ready in Hindi. And same you click Hindi and all language show, and you can change language also. So any language you can select. So now I Chinese language select ready, so automatically Chinese language. So next friend, you see here one pen picture. This pen picture you click, then here you see here you can writing which language you want writing, meaning if you have understand English, you just in front writing English, and after you start to writing, and automatically this your writing upside show and downside translate. So meaning if you understand writing Chinese, so here you writing Chinese, and automatically other side English show ready. So here you any word writing which language you know, so automatically also translate ready. So all this function, friends, I think many people don't know this all function. So this all function I showed you today. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.